Meaning of indecency.
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 Indecency. The term indecency refers to behavior or language that is considered offensive, improper, or inappropriate. It can encompass a wide range of actions and expressions, from relatively mild lewd or vulgar comments or gestures, to more serious offenses like sexual harassment or assault. The concept of indecency is relative and subjective, depending on cultural, social, and individual norms and values. In general, however, it implies a lack of respect for oneself or others, and a disregard for societal conventions of decency and morality.